sounds so weird. I was like, hey guys, could you just had a peek at what I was showing? Nurture that! Look how it's not all nuts. I was eating a baby beetle. Only if Ashton was here, we'd be craving on these lollies. Like, we would be eating it for days. Days. Okay, so I do not know how to open this. Oh, they better be soft. They ain't soft, I'm gonna be so angry. Because, like, Redskins are usually hard. And, like, it's so rare to have a soft one. It's brick. Oh, wait. My friend broke her teeth trying to have one of these. But I still love them. Ah, look at that. Oh, that hurt. Ah. Ah. If you want to lose your teeth, use a Redskin. Ow. Hey, let's go heat it. What's this? I've never had this. I mean, I've had nerds. I've had this kind, but let's go test the orange ones. Ooh. It's like orange soda. I give the orange 7 out of 10. It tastes like someone just plopped orange cordial into it and like dried it and made it into like a lolly. Use lolly stuff. Let me see what this is. What? Cool. That's awesome. Pink lemonade. Ooh. Pink is better. Man. I've been doing a video for 4 minutes just eating lollies. I've been doing a video for 4 minutes just eating lollies. Oh. my table. I've got chips. Please be more birdie. No. I just had one birdie yesterday, and I was like, well, now I'm in Hobart, and tomorrow I'm going to Adelaide. Woohoo! Lucky me. Ah. Oh my god. Sticky this is. If you're wondering where Silly Stuff is, she's at Napolese Festival. Chelsea calls herself Silly Stuff. I literally got nothing. Why does that always happen? Okay, so now that I've eaten all my ham, and I'm gonna have what I've been waiting for the whole time. Here.